Guys, how come it's not working with the identity?
Oh, so we've got Daddy here.
Looks broken.
What are we doing here?
quite
Let's
dirty.
see.
No,
Because GB gave a bath.
no, it's not.
Oh, looks like it.
Barish, it says barish. It says barish. It's till when we'll
Broke
go.
it now.
Oh, I never broke it.
You did.
No, I did, yeah, I did.
He's been messing around.
Look, I'm touching the thing.
Open it.
Why is
Let's see.
the body inside? Is body inside? Who's under there? I'm happy.
Are you happy?
It's my Hoover.
Oh, is it? I thought it's my Hoover.
No, yes. This one. Uh-oh.
GB likes the tools.
Oh no, it's broken. Looks broken, Henry. Huh? What is that? It's body?
Oh, yes.
It's poo.
GB's poo? GB's poo in there?
No, Henry poo.
Henry poo?
Yeah.
GB, what you been doing today with this Hoover?
What's happening?
What's happening?
It's moving. You look like you're not.
Okay. This.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is the one we need to open.
Oh,
Wow.
Wait. Cut the neck in there. Cut the neck.
Wow.
It's full of water.
Full of water? Yeah, because GB gave bath.
No. Shower.
Oh, you gave shower?
Yeah.
Was it with shampoo?
No, there's no stamp.
There was no shampoo. Did you give a bubble bath?
No. Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my goodness.
No. Tina, oh my goodness, Mama.
What should I say then?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Mm.
Dirty. Look.
Show me. Oh no.
It's come. It's raining.
It's raining.
Yeah.
Yucky.
My broken, Henry. It's broken, Henry.
It's okay. Daddy will fix it.
It's white.
Hmm?
It's white. It's white, Daddy. It's white.
Wire, yeah. Leave it.
It's Henry Brax.
Mm-hmm.
It's frog. It's frog. It's frog.
This is a filter.
It's not filter. It's bodies.
This body, no, this is not for your hair. You already took a bath.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Mess.
Oh my god. Oh my
Mama.
goodness. Stinks.
What? Ow. Come on, Brad. What's happening, Mama?
What's happening, Daddy? Tell GB what's happening.
We're fixing it.
Finish fixed. We'll have this. Too much.
It's full of water.
Looks
Sweat.
like we'll have to open it.
My body. I wash my body.
You wash your body, you wash the Hoover. Bless you.
What's the face?
This Hoover doesn't have face, darling.
Why?
Because it doesn't have face. It doesn't have face.
What's going? What's going? I hear this.
You don't switch it like.
Oh no, you don't. I'm not cleaning my carpet after. Why am I cleaning?
I hope Daddy fixed this for you and then you can clean the carpets.
I need to this in it.
Mm-hmm.
Stuff.
What do you need to take off?
Cause we need this. We need this.
You need this?
Yeah, we need.
Or you want to throw this in the bin as well?
No.
No?
No.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Oh, but that happened.
What's happening? What's happening?
It's happening.
What's happening?
What's happening? What's happening? You come inside. The river coming. The water's coming out.
The water's coming out.
In your house. You in your house.
This is open.
Miss.
Oh my goodness, GB! Wow, this is wet.
Oh my gosh.
Are you happy, GB?
Oh my gosh. It's poo on it. It's white. Clean and wipe.
We can't clean. He's been cleaning this with wipes also.
No.
We can't clean this with wipes.
Disgusting. We need to clean the carpet.
Mm. Silly Billy GB.
Oh no. What happened? What happened to my Henry? What happened to my Henry?
Your Henry's broken.
I didn't fix it. Is it gonna find fix?
GB.
What's happening, Dad?
It's ruined, man.
Oh.
Oh no.
Look.
The machine happened. What?
Needs
Bad
to be
boy.
dried out.
Bad boy? Who's bad boy?
Henry-
GB?
No, Henry, but it's not working.
Henry's a bad boy?
Yeah.
Okay.
My Henry broken.
It's okay, darling. We'll buy you a new one.
No, we need to buy a new one. Daddy need to fix it.
Daddy needs to fix this.
Yeah.
You don't want to buy a new one?
Because we need to turn this on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in it.
Look,
Oh, man.
it's rusted.
Let me turn on.
No, we can't turn it on.
Hmm?
It's dangerous.
Turn this.
Mm-hmm.
You change it. I'm going to change.
It smells.
What?
Something's burning.
What? Bunny?
Mm-hmm.
You smell.
I think we need to throw this one away because
Why?
it's full of water.
Why?
But
Why?
we still want to fix it.
Yeah.
We'll have to leave it for a couple of days.
To let it dry.
Yeah. You need to
Don't be sad. Don't worry.
Okay.
Show me a smile. Say cheese.
Tea.
Are you happy? Are you sad? Hmm? What happened, GB?
Because I want to fix it.
You want to fix it?
Yeah.
It's okay, my lovely. Daddy will fix it for you. Let it dry for a few days and then Daddy will fix it, okay?
The water's coming.
Mm-hmm. Don't be sad, okay? GB? GB? Look at mommy.
In the shower?
Yeah, we need to leave this to dry.
No, we can't take this in the shower again
Yeah.
because it's already so wet. We have to leave it outside,
For it to dry.
dry, so it can dry and then Daddy can fix it for you, okay?
Why? No, we need to decide.
You want to leave it inside?
No.
Hmm?
We need
What do you want to do?
I need to remove these connections. Take them out.
It's a big job, GB, for Daddy. Yeah?
Because I want to fix it.
Yes, Daddy will fix it. Okay?
Let me turn on.
No, we can't turn it on because it's already open and it's dangerous and it's wet.
Why?
Look.
Why?
See?
It's broken. We need to rebuild the inside, but it won't over there
Sorry?
over the in the bar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we need to rebuild Henry last time. On home. Henry
So guys, we're gonna leave this to dry for a couple of days. Henry's crying. It's okay, don't worry.
Henry can't go the inside.
Where?
Henry can't go. Henry want to go home.
This is Henry's home.
Henry.
Yes, don't worry. This is Henry's home. And we're gonna leave the Henry to dry.
Why? Because it's inside.
Yes.
We can't.
Okay, listen. We need to let it dry. Once it's dried, then Daddy will fix it for you. And then you can play around with it, okay?
No, I want to turn on.
Sorry?
Because I want to clean it.
You want to clean it now?
Yeah.
You can't because it's wet. Look.
Why? Because I want to clean it last time.
So guys, we're gonna leave this.
Why?
GB's a bit upset. We have to leave this to dry until it gets
No.
dried. We can't fix it and we cannot play with it. We cannot turn it on.
Why?
So we fix this.
I want to see it turn on.
Okay, we will. So Daddy's gonna fix this.
Yeah, hopefully we'll fix it for you, GB. And then
Oh. What?
we'll let you play with it once it's all fixed.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Oh my God.
Watch out for next vlog when it's fully dried and Daddy fix it for GB and then he can hopefully
Clean.
clean with it. Yes.
Yeah, when did it turn on?
The motor is out.
Oh, the motor is out. We'll just let it dry, yeah?
Yeah, either
And
let
clean
it
it.
dry and
Hopefully it works.
We need to clean the shower.
No, we can't take this in shower anymore.
Why?
No more. No more showers.
No shower.
No more showers.
Okay.
So thank you for watching.
Wait, no. We need to fix it.
We need to say bye, GB.
That didn't fix it.
Daddy will fix it. We need to say bye-bye to everyone.
God.
You don't want to say bye?
No. We need to fix it. The detail fix.
Okay.
Neat.
Thank you for watching, guys. I will say bye. Bye.
No.
can't fix it then.
Why? Daddy fix it when we get it.
GB?
Okay.
GB, what happened? Why are you upset?
I need to fix it.
We can't fix this, darling. It has to be dried.
Daddy will have to drive.
Yeah, it has to be dry. Leave it for 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
Okay? Good boy. After 2 days,
We need tissue. We need tissue.
you need tissue, but then
He wants to dry. He wants a quick dry. I hope it doesn't.
dry this one.
Tissue. We need tissue.
You need tissue.
We need clean it.
Actually, you've got dried outside.